Congratulations on your purchase. I think you're going to really like what SnipRanker can do for you. Now just before we get you over to the members area, I want to let you know about a one-time upgrade offer that you're eligible for, the SnipRanker Developers Edition. This powerful upgrade has many more features, it's 10 times more powerful and gets you more results. You'll be able to work with a brand new feature called Related Snippet Booster, which forces Google to reveal 100 times as many more featured snippets than your current version. You'll be able to know how many times the same featured snippets were found during a search and sort them in order of most importance. This lets you focus on the most important snippets first, so to get the best possible results in the shortest time frame possible. And unlike your current version, which reveals one answer and one source for each snippet, the Developers Edition will reveal multiple answers and sources for each featured snippet based on the details provided by Google. This provides you with the different sources that Google shows inside of the featured snippets and reveals even more answers for an even greater, in-depth featured snippet research experience. And if all that wasn't enough, then there's even more. With this massive upgrade, you will also get a whole array of additional features, which include the HTML style of the featured snippets. This displays how snippets are styled inside of Google so that you know exactly how to optimize your own posts in order to get a featured snippet ranking for yourself. Additional featured snippet data. This shows how many words Google are showing inside of each featured snippet and even tries to get a date of when the content was first picked up by Google. And on top of that, there's even more. If you take advantage of this highly limited price that's available only by this one-time offer, we will automatically upgrade your main license. This allows you to work with up to 3 times as many more threads for even faster speeds. And as a developer license holder, you'll be able to install and work with the software on up to 3 different computers, at home, at work, and even on a VPS or laptop. When it comes to SnipRanker, then nothing comes close to the Developers Edition. And on top of all that, you will also enjoy free updates and any new features we add at no additional cost. So let's take a closer look at the SnipRanker Developers Edition in action. Let's start by taking a look at the CSV file that contains all the results that SnipRanker took from Google. With the Developers Edition, we are able to see much more data related to each snippet. As well as being able to see the question, answer and source that Google took the snippet data from, we are now able to see how many words Google is showing for each snippet. We are able to see a date for when Google found the content inside of the snippet, if available, and we can even see the HTML style that Google is displaying the snippets inside. When Google displays a featured snippet, then they get displayed as tables, paragraphs or lists. And when optimizing for these snippets, then optimizing in the same style gives us the best possible chance to rank. And the Developers Edition of SnipRanker gets this information for you. And finally, occurrences. The figures you see here represent how many times each snippet was found inside of Google during the SnipRanker search. So when performing searches for multiple keywords, Google frequently displays the same snippet for different keywords. The figures you see here represent how many times Google displayed the exact same snippet for different terms. This data can now be sorted to show the snippets in order of most importance to the top based on the frequency of them occurring throughout the search. The snippets that are found to occur the most usually get searched for the most and have the most traffic associated with them. This is a great way to prioritize which snippets to optimize and rank for first. Now let's take a look at the software. With the Developers Edition, you'll be able to work with 2 new features that make SnipRanker 100 times more powerful than your current version: the Related Snippet Booster and the Remove Duplicate Combos. Let's take a look at the Related Snippet Booster first. The Related Snippet Booster uses Google to force even more featured snippets that are related to your keyword and niche. It works in the following way. SnipRanker will do a search inside of Google for your keyword, exposing and revealing featured snippets just like your current version. But with the Related Booster activated, SnipRanker will scrape every related query provided by Google. It will then do a search for each one of the related queries and begin exposing featured snippets for each one. And with each related search SnipRanker does, Google displays even more related terms. SnipRanker continues to scrape each term and exposes feature snippets for everyone. This allows you to uncover and expose every featured snippet for any keyword and all snippets related to it. It's a very powerful feature, and it's exactly what I use myself when working with SnipRanker. Now let's take a look at the Remove Duplicate Combo feature. With your current version, you have the option to remove duplicates. This makes sure every featured snippet question and answer is unique. Many times though, Google will show different snippet data for exactly the same question. This is usually due to how Google will change and move listings around inside of the search engine. With the developer's license, it's possible to get every snippet combination that Google shows. So if Google showed the same snippet with 3 different answers, then SnipRanker will show you each one. It will even tell you how many times the same question and answer combination was found inside of Google. Being able to see different answer combinations for the same snippet allows you to optimize and construct even better answers for yourself. It's also amazing for keyword and topic research and provides you with an even bigger picture as to what Google looks for in a featured snippet. Working with the Remove Duplicate Combo and the related Snippet Booster is by far my favorite way to work with SnipRanker. The Developers Edition is also much more faster and allows you to work with up to 10 threads at a time for even faster speeds and results. With the Developers Edition, you'll be able to force Google to reveal 100 times as many more featured snippets for your keywords by using the related Snippet Boost feature. You'll be able to focus on the most important snippets by sorting the snippets in order of importance, so to get the best possible results in the shortest time frame possible. You'll be able to search even more answers for an even greater in-depth featured snippet research experience by revealing multiple featured snippet answers from various sources that Google reveals. You will even be able to reveal the HTML style that Google shows inside of featured snippets so that you know exactly how to optimize your content to get found in a featured snippet for yourself. You will also be able to see how many words Google shows, the dates that the content was found, and so much more. So as you can see, the Developers Edition is for any marketer looking for the most powerful and cost-effective way to leverage SnipRanker for increasing free, targeted traffic from Google using featured snippets. You also get exclusive video tutorials and training so that you can start using it immediately with basically no learning curve. You'll be able to reveal even more featured snippets, uncover even more featured snippet answers and sources, know how many words Google shows, the HTML style they display, and the date that the content was found. And you will even be able to sort the featured snippets in order of most importance, which can only mean better rankings, more traffic, more leads, and more sales. And as with all our products, this comes with a full 30 days money back guarantee, which means there's absolutely no risk on your part whatsoever. So take advantage of this one-time special offer for this incredibly powerful upgrade. Once the special is over, then it's never going to be this low again. Just click the button below this video, lock in this incredible low price, and let's get you dominating featured snippets and search engines right now. This is AbsRavG, and I'll see you on the inside.